chill out.
Sonny,
Chill
keep
out,
the same
Sonny.
energy in half an hour, okay?
Yeah, letting like Hydra did is over.
I was just whipping the beans, that's that bully fucker. I just fucked a friend that was undercover. I just told you once again on that motherfucker. This Selena Cartier lens with a Gucci sweater. Shit, whipping it, whip out the pot. I'm tryna whip it better. He's a pussy pea, I crack him like he ketter. I just made him flee, I sing like Amaretta. Diamond dancing and they dangling with Bezel. All this fucking ice on racking, need some kind of sweater.
But I say one thing and never know the fight go like just end in like a minute.
I just told that bank don't look inside none of my kids' treasures. I see kind make a nigga barely walk. 150 for my mouth, nigga barely talk. Thank you, I just took a picture in the backyard. Thank you, I just fucked your sister in the same car. So what? And I'm fried, so what? And I'm hot, so what? And I'm rich, so what? And the bitch drink my name. And I'm lit, so what? And I'm fried, so what? And I'm hot, so what? And I'm rich, so what? This bitch drink my name. And I'm lit, so what? And I'm lit, so what? Got 12 plus 1 in a gun. I don't think about you much. You a buggy, we crush. We gon' turn you to mush. Yeah, she love when she come. She love when she come too. It's the time of the month. Man, you must be a bitch too. It's move, got too much money, I don't know what to do. Yeah, coming through, and if everybody talk, who you supposed to move? Yeah, you faking streams, you faking this money, you faking views. Yeah, and you confused, you don't know what else I could lose. Yeah, coming tools, we don't know who else I could do. Yeah, break the news, we don't got nothing else left to prove. Hey, get high and move, what the fuck else you expect to do? Hey, so what? Zombie. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast, 'cause I had everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan is just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da, 'cause I'm begging you. Put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging you. And put your love in the hand now, darling. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be. The shadow all my life was hanging over me. A broken man that I don't know won't even stand, that never stands to be my soul. Why we're chilling, why we're chasing, why the bottom, why the basement, why we got good, she don't embrace it. Why the feel for the need to replace me? You're the wrong way, trying to be good. I went up in a feature town where we could be at, like a heart in the best way, shit. You can give it away, you have, and you tend to pay. But I keep walking on, keep moving the dog, keep open for that the dog is yours, keep also home. 'Cause I'm the one that live in a broken home, girl, I'm begging. Yeah, I'm begging you to put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging you to put your love in the hand now, darling. I'm finding hard to hold my own, just can't make it all alone.